Firmware 1.0.283. What I want to do is hit record, and I want to detach the screen. Possible because the overlay was up there, we are preparing the touch screen. So let's reconnect and let's detach the screen. Switch to touch screen, remote audio reception. Let's place back on, but before we place back on, let's stop the recording. We're still connected. Swipe down and over to the audio settings. And I want to show you what we're connected to. Detachable touch screen remote microphone. If I want to go into the built microphone, I click anywhere I want on there and we switch over, correct? With the latest firmware, if I connect my Mic Pro, it's 3 presses. We're pairing. We swipe down and over to the wireless mic and connect. The earlier version, firmware v1.0.047, we were allowed to switch on over. I gotta go through all these to get out of here. I hit record. While that's still on, it went quick. We are not on the switch over. This now locks us in, then the mic. So we have a number of issues here. The long screen transfer, it worked randomly, and the Mic Pro or the Mic Air will not connect. If I swipe down after I stop recording, and I go over to the same audio settings to the current audio input, and I want to switch off to the built-in microphone, I cannot click it anywhere. They are disabled by Insta360. We need to understand if this has been something that Insta360 has locked out. Is anybody else reporting these issues? Please post below.